If you've been logged out of your Capital One account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Capital One website. Go to the official Capital One website using a secure internet connection. Make sure you are on the legitimate site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Forgot Username or Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your personal information, such as your last name, social security number, and date of birth. Fill in the required fields accurately to verify your identity. Step 4. Follow the instructions. After submitting your information, follow the on-screen instructions. You may receive a verification code via email or text message to help you reset your credentials. Step 5. Create new credentials. Once verified, you will be able to create a new username and password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and ensure it meets Capital One security requirements. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your Capital One account with your new credentials. If you continue to experience issues, consider contacting Capital One customer service for further assistance.